crazy. Them wheels though.
Yeah.
That's nice. We turned up and like the guy gets out, both his like kids get out as well. Look like dad goals, innit?
Yeah.
Right, we are at AUTOSPORT International. Welcome to, I say today's video, it's the same day filming from the last one, but it probably might be a week or so late. Oh my god, look at this Jag! Is that a wide body kit on it as well?
Yeah.
It's so nice. So we don't need to go in, Dan. We'll just spend that. We'll just spend outside here all the time. Wow, that's cool. We are extremely late. We had too much fun at the cafe this morning. We actually missed the live action show as well, which started at 11:30. We were on our way here at 11:30. Yeah. So, what time is it now? It's 12:30. We're on our way in. We've only got like 2.5 hours to enjoy this show. We still got to go and visit the track addict stand.
Yep. So
that's one of the main goals of today. So we're gonna have we paid for parking?
I think you're paying the way out probably.
Paying the way out. That's gonna be expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you when we get inside. That's mental. Wow. Right guys, so we're inside. This is like a half-filled hall. There's plenty of stuff here, plenty like trade stands, companies that have brought their best of their stuff to show off. There's plenty like detailing, tuning companies also. So we're going to go through to the other hall. Oh my god, giant women. Anyway, we're going to go into the other hall just across here because Dan says it's usually a bit more full in there, so we're just going to go and see. We're in a bit of a competition who's going to get the most freebies as well, so the game is on. Just this EG is just like caught as eye. It's full race attack mode, everything on it. Like air dam on the front, you've got these aren't even headlights, they're just air ducts. That's lovely. That means that you've got all this bracing coming through here. Completely gutted, cut out back end.
It's a beautiful machine.
Yeah, just who says that now?
Fast and Furious, Lance.
He's like, it's a beautiful machine.
What do you think, Lance?
Club was at JAE, GTROC. They've come in force. Look at that. Is it Nismo GTR? Ooh. Casual R34 as well, just sat there, chilling.
So we actually see them in real life, how massive they are.
Yeah, it's huge cars, absolutely
yeah.
huge cars. Right guys, we're just at the PBS stand. As you know from the video, we use PBS pads when we went to Rockingham for Min's Honda Day. Luckily enough, the gent here has actually seen the videos. So I don't know if you've seen this car online before. That absolute track weapon, and we've just been invited to possibly go and do a video with that on track, so that's absolutely amazing. Plus they've hooked us up with a free PBS t-shirt. Why not support the brand? So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for something like that coming in the future. Can't wait. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay.
We're on 2 all now because we've got 2 loads of free stuff.
Yes, please.
If we did wear glasses, we could get them cleaned there for free. What a thing to have at a car show. Oh look, we're just passing the Tegua stand. All you Honda guys will know that brand 100%. Loads of stuff on display, loads of K-Tune goodies. Scoop 2. Ooh. yellow speed coilovers. Just a good setup, just a good stand.
I didn't realise I had separate reservoirs.
Yeah. The only thing with the yellow speeds, with the FN2s, apparently the back sits really low. Like, your wheels are in the arches on highest setting. Really? That's the thing that puts me off them.
What about the fronts? Does it look like all reverse rate?
Yeah, it does look a bit reverse rate, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. That's why I want my straws. So we just met with the guys at Track Addict. Lee Lockwood's here, Adam Ivel's here as well. He's EG's house, we're going to have a nice look at that later on. Just a cool YouTuber meetup, why not? So we're on the Track Addict stand now, we're just having a look at Adam's EG that he's brought in. It's gorgeous. So clean. Wow.
It's like the whole less is more thing has worked so the right wheels.
We were saying when we came in, the cars look so good under this lighting, especially like with carbon body and everything. Yeah, it just looks gorgeous, mate. Thank you.
Well, get bent over again. Remember last time?
Yes.
That was good done there.
Wasn't it just? It's not bad for a wrap, is it, Luke?
Oh! Expensive wrap.
I only had it out of garage twice. So we've got a chip in the door.
So we've come away from the Track Addict stand now and we've just come across these. Oh my word. It's like aqua chrome Lamborghinis, carbon fibre arches. That's a bit too extreme for me.
I can't help but feel you've blind everyone in the sun.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. That's really nice, really wide. I've said before to you guys in previous videos, I'd love to do, don't worry, I'm filming this way mate, don't worry. I'd love to do like a rally or a run or something like that. I bet that's just like an amazing experience. Like you and a few friends in your cars, you've got like nightlife, everything, it'd be absolutely brilliant. Especially doing it in something like this. Very expensive toys. Now I don't actually think I've seen a car done by a company such as Liberty Walk in real life. So to see this stand, oh my word. Wow, wow, wow. The stance of that. Look how wide it is at the back. Jesus. We've also some wheels as well, they're expensive wheels. You've got a GTR, GT86, yeah, 2.0 at the end.
That roof line, stock roof line, with that wide arch, is immense.
Yeah, yeah.
That is nuts.
Oh, it all like blends in.
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it?
That is
cool aero. I want to see a Liberty Walk. Like, the nice thing I've seen Liberty Walk, I think. Have you seen the new NSX?
Yeah,
the Liberty Walk on?
Yeah.
Oh my word, that's brilliant. I think as a car, the 86 has like revolutionised modifying again. It brought, I think it's brought it back to the front.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
It's some of the wide body stuff, isn't it?
Yeah,
all
yeah. Exactly. So much can be done with one of these that everybody's doing it to everything else now. That's cool.
Back end of that.
Yeah. Beautiful. The lights. Wow. Wide body, everything wide body. Get it. As well as all the lovely cars. You are going, sorry?
So you do have to wonder, like, who actually comes to a car show and buys a fine oak table?
Yeah, I've come to see Lamborghinis. Well, would you like an oak table?
It's not flat pack, so you won't get it home.
No. How much room do you have in your Ford Focus RS? Can you fit a cabinet? Yeah, as I was saying, sorry. They're also doing car auctions here as well, Silverstone car auctions. So as well as all the stuff that's on display, people are buying cars whilst they're here, as well as furniture, weirdly enough. Ooh, that's nice. We've got like a big Renault club here. Oh, it's a Renault 5 Turbo. Oh wow. One of them cars just drawn into. I don't think if it is a Renault 5 Turbo, I've not seen one in real life. I know. Seats are like a 90-year-old dinner jacket. Yeah.
Obviously the ones with the big kits on. Like.
Oh yeah. Oh, the like rally style ones.
Yeah.
They were cool. They were cool. I love this colour. Liquid yellow. When I was younger and when I was obsessed with racing, Clio Cup was like the one. And seeing these in real life as well. Wow. That's the V6 as well. That's pretty cool. So many firsts here, the things I've never seen in real life. Like, I think I've seen a Diablo before, but I don't know if I've seen an SP like that in the classic yellow. Wow. Then you've got this like mental Le Mans Porsche behind me. Wow, wow, wow. Just cool as hell. Ooh, ooh. That's nice. I think that's the shape. Is it Gallardo or Gallardo?
What do you want? Gallardo.
Gallardo. Everybody says Gallardo now.
Proper Italian.
I think that's the one I'd have shape-wise. Because there's the other one before that had the different lights.
Is that the merchandise?
No, I mean, they had like a different version of the Gallardo.
Oh, right, so.
With the different lights on it, a different front, and then they did this with all this nice kit. And then lights are loads better. Really good. But then they just obviously swapped it to the Huracan, which is like next level mental. We're just looking at this GT86 on the gravity stand. Fair enough, right? It's a new colour, it's a nice colour, it's slammed, full seam points. Then we looked in the engine bay, and there's a 2JZ in it. Big ass turbo as well. He's won the show, that's it. I don't know how you feel about it. I think if it were one colour, I'd feel better. I'd like to see it in that original blue, you know, that it came out in.
Yeah.
But with all this like fancy stuff on it. Too much wrap stuff. Don't touch the car! Okay guys, we're on our way back to my car now. We've had a really, really good time. I can't believe how much there were to look at, more than anything. There's not enough time of the day to appreciate everything. We were kind of going a bit like numb because of like the calibre of the cars and stuff there. It's like, that's alright, that's alright, that's alright. It's like a Bentley Continental like with a gold wrap on or something. But yeah, really enjoyed it. We met up at the Track Addict stand, that were really cool. What is that?
It's a Honda,
That is a Honda. Quick, 'cause I'm running out of battery. Is it like an electric or a hybrid, or I forgot what they're called?
It looks like a spacecraft.
And you can't see the back wheels.
Do you know what it looks like? A modern day 2CV.
Yeah.
Which isn't good.
Somebody in the comments will know what that is, and they'll slate us for it.
Yeah.
But either way, I forgot what I'm saying now. I do this all the time. That's cool. I like that.
20 quid of tyres.
now I've definitely forgot what I was saying. If you are wanting one of the Canjo Club Worldwide slap stickers, don't forget to give them a message. Like I said, it's £4 posted, and I'll leave their details in the description below. I think that's pretty much all I've got to say. We've had a good time, hope you've had a good time. I'm going to now mission the 2-hour journey home, and I'm going out tonight, so I'm going to be absolutely knackered. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you did enjoy this video, if you enjoy any of my videos, and please go and support Dan with SADBOIRACECLUB Race Club. What that brand is doing is brilliant. It's such a unique thing, and I think that's why everybody's getting excited about it, because nobody's thought about this before. Mental health within the car community is something that needed to be addressed 100%. Click that little bell button if you want to be reminded when any more videos do come on, and until next time guys, like you always say, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Do you want to do a chop? Give us a look like you're a bit scared.
Scared?
Like, ooh.
Millions.
Bye.